You can assign a MIDI demo to your own YC live set sound. In Soundmondo on iOS, select Capture and use the lower icon to capture it. Confirm by pressing Save and tap on the note icon in the bottom right corner of the display. Select a MIDI file from the category that matches your live set sound. Select Org 60 Combo. It immediately starts playing. If you're happy with your selection, close the MIDI file selection and the next window. Now you can play this MIDI demo directly from the sound view.